This is a 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, tinted glass, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, a rear window defroster, and fog lamps. This Chevrolet has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Duval Ford is located at 1616 Cassat Avenue in Jacksonville. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.